guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sorting out my fidgets because I have a bunch of ideas. So I'm going to sort them out with you guys. So I have these two buckets, and we're going to sort them out into the two buckets. So first, what I'm going to do, also, you guys can get this stuff and sort out your fidgets, or just get a bunch of things. So first I'm going to get all of my containers that I'm going to use, and I'm going to put them in the order that I am going to be using 5 containers. So I'm going to use 2 long ones, 2 rectangle ones that are medium size, and then 1 huge rectangular one. So I'm going to start with my monkey noodles. So the monkey noodles are going to go in a long one. So I'm first going to grab all of my big monkey noodles. So, and I'm going to place them in. So, I'm not sure how many I have, so I'm going to look real quick. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my small monkey noodles, which I think I have more. Yes, I do. And I'm going to put them in. I'm going to make sure I don't have anywhere I got them all from. Yes, okay. So now I'm just going to take a chicken here. No more. Okay. And plus, if I leave any in there, I can just put them back in at the end. Actually, I'm just going to that out. And I'm just going to So now I'm gonna put, because I have 1 ramen. So now I'm gonna put my ramen in there. So now this box is done. And I'm gonna get this box and I'm gonna put all my pop tubes in them. So I'm gonna get these size pop tubes. These are I think they're regular size. Yes. I think I have a few longer ones, but they're mostly the same. I'm just going to place them all in. And yes, so now I am going to, since that box is done, next I'm going to take this box and I'm going to put all of my balls. So only beige balls. So this stress ball, this puzzle ball, my DNA ball, my football, and this little guy. I mean, I have room in here, so I'm just going to do a little guy, even though he's a little bit big. But who cares? It doesn't really matter because there's more room. Alright, so now I'm going to put him in since there's just enough room for him. Now this one is good. So now I'm going to get this one. I'm going to put all the small ones in. So this is kind of a fidget. So I'm going to put it in the big stress ball because there's still room for it. Now I'm going to get all of my little stress balls. So first I don't really know what these are called. So I'm just going to put them in. And then I have my Orbeez ball. I don't know what happened to him. I guess all of his Orbeez got squished. but I have these three. So this one's kind of worn down. There's really no Orbeez in him. And then I have these two, which I am going to put in. And then I'm going to put my, I have this puzzle ball. I'm going to put this puzzle ball also in the big chest ball. And then I have more room. So, this isn't really a puzzle ball, so I'm going to put it in. Then I'm going to try and fit my mochis in this one. So I have a shark mochi, a turtle mochi. I have an octopus. I have a fish. I definitely have more. Oh, here. I have this weird thing. I think it's a dog. I have a pig. I have more. I just don't know really where. Oh. I think I know one more. Let me go get them. I definitely have more. That's what I can tell you. That was not because I definitely know I have more. So I'm getting them. Okay, so sorry that took long. When I meant more, I meant two. I've got 2 wolves. So I'm going to put those in. And I still have room. So I'm going to put my snake in there. He's a little bit out of shape. Oh, here you go. If you guys want to see him, he's a little bit out of shape. But you see that? That's what's happened with him. So he's a little bit out of shape, but that's okay. Come on. Oh, there we go. Okay, that'll work for now, I guess. So I'm going to put that right there. And then, since I still have room on the top, I'm going to put my, I don't even know what it's called. I forgot what they're called for some reason. And then I'm going to fit my slime because slime is a fidget. So I'm going to put my slime in there too. CEI slime. It's a perfectly shaped heart slime. Like there's no mess. Oh my god. Wait, that is actually perfectly shaped. Oh yeah, this is not good slime. That's what I can say. I'm just gonna put that in there. Okay, so now this box is filled. Okay, so now I might have to grab more boxes, but that's okay. Have this huge box, which I'm gonna first put in all of my whatever these things are. I don't know the name of anything. I don't know why. I'm gonna first put these in because I have 2 of them. This is like a huge one that I have. I did not connect them. It came like this, even though you just saw me connect, but that's because it broke. I'm going to put this over here. And then I have this one. That I'm going to put up in the corner with it. And then I'm gonna put my pea poppers, which I should have 4. Oh, so I actually have 4 of them. One of them's in my backpack, so I'm not gonna take it off. So I have this one. I don't like this one. It only has one face. These ones only have one face too? Oh, never mind them. I like the middle one because it's easiest to open. I like it. Okay, okay. And then I have a different pea. This time, instead of a pea popper, it's kind of a coconut popper. So I'm also going to put that in. And then I have all of these. So I'm going to put all of these in too. I have yellow, blue, red, purple, and pink, and 2 greens. And then I'm going to put my rings in. First I'm going to put them on my finger because I can. And yeah, we have a few small ones. We have a few small ones and a few big ones. So I'm going to put the big ones and the big ones and the small ones and the small ones. So this small one, it's a little weird, but it still is right. So I have 4 big ones and 4 small ones. Why does it look hard? I don't know. Okay. Oh wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 big ones and 4 small. I then have 2 bicycle chains that I'm also going to put in. I have this puzzle that I have no idea how to solve. Oh hey. I have this puzzle that I don't know how to solve. Well, I do, but it's difficult. I have this fidget spinner that is also kind of a puzzle thing. I have this mover. It has the buttons and it has the levers and it has everything. It has everything. Okay, and then I'm gonna put that in. Now I'm gonna put my fidget spinners in. I'm missing one. Oh, ow. Oh, here we go. I missed 2 pop tubes. And I'm missing now a fidget spinner. Yeah. Okay, so fidget. And I'm going to add my 2 dimples. Wait, I don't know. Who cares? And then I'm going to add my dimple. My simple dimple.
Hey, Logan, how many people have eaten those?
And then I'm going to add my miniature poppets. And then we're going to go into the poppets. So I hope I can fit all my miniature poppets. I also have this and a mini version. I'm only adding my mini poppets. Or actually, I'm not even going to add my mini poppets. Yeah, I'm not going to even add my mini poppets. Okay, I'm only going to add this. Okay, so that is it for that bucket. Besides this, which I'm just going to put in there. Now I'm going to put everything in their buckets. So I'm going to put the poppets in this bucket and the boxes in this bucket, if they all fit. Okay, they don't all fit. So, actually they do. If I put them on top. So this one, the whole entire bottom is already covered. So I'm just going to put these on the top, as you guys can see. And then this bucket's done. And I'm going to go head over to this bucket. I think it's pretty see-through, so you guys can see what I'm doing. But now I'm going to add these mini miniature puppets in the corner, and the big puppets in the other side. And yeah, we're almost done. And then I hope you liked this video because I tried my best to sort it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Might not have been the best video, might have been a little bit boring. But it's because it took a long time. Oh, and I have a bunch of beads. Oh, dang. Okay, and I have this big snowman I'm gonna put in the very back. And then these here, and then I have one more that I'm gonna put over here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!